Have you ever experienced that crushing feeling when your computer crashes and all your valuable files disappear? There are many causes of data loss, including hardware damage, malfunction, and failure. These can often format your hard drive or delete your data, leaving you with what seems to be an unsolvable problem. You may have even tried Googling data recovery on your phone to try and fix it yourself, without success. Don't panic, our data detectives will get your valuable files back. The award-winning team at PC Pitstop have a 99% success rate when it comes to data recovery. Our experts have years of experience and specialist knowledge recovering files from Apple Mac and Windows computers and laptops, hard disk drives, solid-state drives, mobile phones, and USB drives. All you need to do is bring your device into PC Pitstop for a free consultation. We'll ask you simple, straightforward questions about the problem, test your equipment to find the root cause of the problem, and provide you with a no-surprises estimate. Your data's privacy is guaranteed, and with our fast turnaround times, you'll be back up and running in a flash. And did we mention we have a 99% success rate? Have the peace of mind that your winning team is on your side for all your IT needs. Contact PC Pitstop today on 02 6584 1551.